This is D from GameXTC, and today I'm going to show you how to secure your SD2SP2 port. That's a bit of a mouthful. This video is relatively quick, the method is easy, and hopefully you'll find it useful. Now before we jump into the video, please subscribe to our channel and feel free to check us out on eBay at GameXTC. You'll get valuable information on leveling up your video game hardware and software. If your SD2SP2 port is already connected to your Gamecube, detach it. You can see that I'm struggling a little bit to detach mine, but that's because I've already applied this method. All you have to do is set your soldering iron to 325 degrees and solder your connectors. Make sure you don't bridge them, and it's as simple as that. And because of the thickness of solder, you only have to solder one side. So let's take a look at the soldering technique. Then, you put everything back together and enjoy.